Yeah, hello and welcome to another update video about silver. On the silver chart, not much has changed since the last video. Actually, nothing. So just a bit of a refresher here because it's been a few days since I've made my last silver update. Expectations at the moment are that we bottomed in a wave 2 on the 10th of March. And since then, we've been moving up and we are on our way in a third wave. Yeah, zooming out a little bit more shows us that we bottomed in a higher degree wave 2 actually in September, which could have ended this sort of bear market for the metals. Since then, we have been moving up in an impulse. We came down in a correction. We did hold our trend reversal area here around the 10th of March, and we could indeed be in this third wave rally now. Yeah. Eventually, this third wave rally here in yellow actually, yeah, this would lead overall, if we get a fourth and a fifth wave as well, it would lead to the completion of an even larger degree wave 1. Yeah, so that's sort of the overall expectation, which means the uptrend is in play, okay, and as long as we are holding here the swing low which was made on the 10th of March, overall the expectations can be on higher. However, we have certain micro support levels along the way which ideally need to hold for continuation. If one of these breaks, it's a warning. It's a first warning that something isn't quite right. We're going to take a look at that now. So in short, expectations are on trend continuation higher. Of course, bearish possibility still exists, but the bearish possibility is sort of in the background at the moment. Of course, we need to know about it for our risk management. Of course, we can make a new low, yeah. But at the moment, the trend is up. We're making higher highs, higher lows. Not only that, we've seen impulses to the upside and we've seen corrective movements to the downside. The pivots did hold, the support areas did hold, and we're currently moving in a bullish way. So the price currently acts in a bullish way. There's currently, for me, from a trading point of view, from an analysis point of view, not really a need to focus on the bearish count. However, if support areas break, then we have to bring it into focus. Yeah. At the moment, the idea is on the smaller time frame and on a smaller degree that off the 10th of March low, we're currently developing here an impulsive wave structure. I have labeled it as a wave 1 complete on the 20th of March, a wave 2 complete on the 21st, a third wave rally complete on the 14th of April, and we are now in a fourth wave. Did explain that to you in the previous video. There are two scenarios. There's one, both bullish, as long as we're holding 2290. So below 2290, something's not quite right, and we might need to look at a much deeper pullback. But for now, I'm watching if we hold here this support area, and it looks at least not too bad at the moment. Again, both bullish. So the first idea, and that's sort of the primary, just because it fits better into the picture, would be that this currently is a wave 4 pullback. So look at the chart and you can see that we came down in a wave 2 on around the 21st of March. We rallied in a third wave, and this here is a wave 4. The wave 4 is valid and likely as long as we're holding $24 basically, the 50% retracement. Below the 50% retracement, this can't really be a fourth wave anymore because I'm measuring the length of the wave 3, the low of the wave 3 to the top of the wave 3. And the retracement of the wave 3 gives us a clue about what kind of wave it is. If it retraces only into the region between the 23.6 fib retracement and the 50%, so between $25.11 and $24, then it is most likely a wave 4. If it pulls back deeper into the area between $24 and $22.90, it's probably a wave 2. Below that, something more bearish is going on. So it's either a wave 4 or a wave 2. Based on that clarity that we will get, we can measure upside targets afterwards. But for now, upside continuation is expected. The move down looks corrective. We have a lot of overlapping price action. And ideally, we're looking for a fifth wave further to the upside to complete the third wave. I think I did highlight in the previous video that if we get above the previous swing high here, 26.13, I would expect price to be in the heart of a third wave rally. That third wave rally would take us above the $30 range, most likely, yeah, and would be quite impulsive. So, and that's basically everything I can tell you at the moment about silver. I mean, if we zoom in a little bit more, and we go to the 1 hour chart, then yeah, you know, it's not straightforward because corrective patterns, they can morph quite quickly. But I think we have a case here to make that this could be an A wave, yeah? Then this could be a B wave, and we could be coming down in a C wave in an ending diagonal now, so that the wave 4 comes down a little lower. And then a very first indication that the wave 4 is over would be a break above the B wave high at 25.50. Again, a drop below $24 would most likely morph this count into a wave 2. And yeah, that's really the structure. Looking at the indicators, you can see that we were oversold on the 1 hour chart. That recovered quickly, but the 1 hour is quite dynamic. Things change very quickly. On the 4 hour, however, we see a slight bullish divergence here between that low on the price chart and on the RSI as well, where we make a higher low, whereas a lower low on the price chart. Bullish divergence on the 4 hour indicates maybe a reversal is going to happen here shortly. That would be in line with the Elliott wave count. Okay, that's my update about silver. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye bye.